Hello and welcome back to another shoe unboxing video. So I am so excited about this shoe unboxing because it's a little bit different. It's not a shoe that's trending on the market right now, as in like it's not like a shoe that everyone is wearing right now, and so that is why I'm really excited to share, because you know I'm a trendsetter. As you can tell by the boxing, it's like mystery, right? Like, what is this? Well, it's not in its original packaging, but Mrs. Ariana packaged this very cute for me, very nicely. Thank you so much, Ariana. Okay, so excited to show these to you. So I was actually searching for Mary Jane's on Depop because I wanted a ballet flat, but I also have plantar fasciitis. And so like I need some more support in my foot. I also live in New York City and I walk so much, like so much more than just a regular person, and I have a hard time walking in anything other than a sneaker nowadays. And ballet flats are obviously so cute and they just can like add so much dimension to your outfit. So I was like, I want a ballet flat. Like sometimes I want a girlier shoe, but the ballet flats, it's like feels like I'm literally walking on the floor and it's so uncomfortable. So I was like, I want something with a little bit more support that hugs my foot. So that's how I got into the Mary Jane category, because you know it does have like that strap that I felt like holds your foot more in place. And then I came across this crazy collab that I didn't even know these brands could collab, but Haan and Nike. I was like, what? Like, when did they start doing collabs? So I just never pictured them being in a room together and being like, yeah, let's make a shoe together. But when I tell you, these are the cutest flats I have seen in a long time, and I feel like they're so unique, and I felt like they're going to really stand out compared to all the other flats that everyone else is wearing. So, you know, call me a trendsetter, but I'm doing an outfit fit example vertical because it just shows the whole outfit better than if I did it horizontal. But here is how you can wear the shoes in the summertime. All right, so now that the shoes are out of the box, let's talk about them. The first thing that caught my eyes with these was this air bubble, because I feel like this totally gives away that it's a Nike collab, and I like that about it. I like that it has the girly touch of being a ballet shoe and like a Mary Jane, but then it has this, which is very Nike streetwear sporty style. So I love the mix between the girliness and then the sportiness right here. I also love how like narrow and non-chunky the shoes are. I feel like with a lot of Mary Janes, they tend to be kind of chunky and it kind of looks like a grandma shoe. And I like how these are so much more sporty and like very narrow to your foot. I also love how thin this strap is. I noticed a lot of the straps are like thick, and I do not like that. It just is like too chunky. I want more of like a sleek look. I also love that it's suede because it just gives it more of an expensive look. And I am also obsessed with the turquoise blue detailing around the bottom of the shoe and with the logo. I feel like the turquoise blue with the gold is just like, it's like chef's kiss. It just makes a great pop to the shoe, and I also think it's a great addition to like adding the touch of like spring and summer, adding a little bit of a pop, a bright color. And I'm just literally obsessed with these shoes. Not to mention, of course, they have the support here for the arc, and again, this air bubble, this gives a little bit more cushion versus just like walking almost directly on the ground. Like with a lot of other ballet flats, they are so close to the ground. These are more of like a sneaker base on the bottom and then girly on the top. To get into sizing, these are a size 7, and I am a true size 7. So, and I guess I should mention, they do feel, I don't want to say big, but because I feel like if I did go a half a size down, they would be too small. But I do feel like a little bit of room around my foot. So I want to say they run just a teeny tiny big. And but I think if you plan on wearing them with socks, like a lot of girls do wear them with socks, I think that you should totally just get true to size, because with a sock, I think it'll be like absolutely. I saw these shoes in all black as well, and they were just as cute. They didn't have any accents. The blue honestly super sold me on these shoes. I just love an accent color on anything. I just think it makes it so much more unique. But the reason why I got the gold was because I love gold and silver as a like almost like a neutral. I think black and white, of course they're neutrals, but they're so boring. Like, it's just like not that creative. Gold can easily, I feel like, be replaced for black or white. Same as silver. So when I can, I try and get that color. And then, like I said, the turquoise blue accent just totally sold me after that. And I love the suede. I think the black ones are suede too, but you know, black suede, it just can't tell as much. Like, these were just popping more, and I felt like they looked more unique. What else was I gonna say? But that was my review. So thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know in the comments if this is a shoe that you'd buy for your girl, or if you're a girl, let me know if this is a shoe you'd wear around town. And yeah, see you in the next vlog.